What's up everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and if you're a returning viewer, you know I've got another banger for you today. Now, I'm super excited because we're diving into the sound performance of the SONY V73D. Sure, you'll say, bro, it's a million years old speaker, why? Because it's a best-selling Sony speaker in the last couple of years, and I want to find out if the technology is advancing and compare it with the newest speakers from famous brands like JBL, like Panasonic. That's why. This is a Sony all-in-one party speaker, but how good is it for music lovers? Well, let's find out. The speaker will be at half volume with the mega bass on excited mode. Alright guys, after the sound test, first things first, let's talk about the sound quality. The Sony V73D packs some serious punch with its 360-degree sound system. If you're looking to fill up a big room or even throw an outdoor party, this thing has you covered. Now, what I really love about the sound is the clarity. Whether you're blasting EDM or vibing to some classic rock, the highs come through crisp and clear. Vocals? Check. The mid-range? Well balanced. But let's talk about the bass, the real star of the show here. The extra bass technology kicks in with full force, and let me tell you, the low end is so deep it almost feels like you're in a club. Perfect for dance anthems and bass-heavy tracks. Something that stands out to me is the party light feature. This isn't just about sound. The lights react to the beat, adding extra flair to your music. Now, I know some of you are probably thinking, okay, but does it distort at max volume? Well, the answer is no. Even cranked up to its highest level, the V73D delivers clear, undistorted audio. Impressive, right? One more cool thing, the karaoke function is super fun, especially with the dual mic inputs. The sound quality of the mix is solid, nothing too crazy, but definitely good enough for a fun night with friends. Okay guys, so to wrap it up, the Sony V73D is a beast when it comes to delivering high quality sound for your parties, gatherings, and even just casual listening. It's packed with features and the sound just knocks it out of the park. So, if you want a speaker that gives you serious bass, crystal clear heights, and doesn't lose its cool at full volume, this is a top contender for your next purchase. That's it for today's reviews, folks. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming reviews. Drop a comment below with your thoughts on the Sony V73D, or let me know with what speaker you'd like me to compare it next. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one, guys.